Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox POCO F1 by Xiaomi. So let's see what we get inside. So first of all we get a transparent cover by Xiaomi. This is a nice cover. Let's keep this aside. This is a phone itself. Let's keep this aside for a second and check the contents of the box. This is some paperwork. We get a Type-C data cable and a turbo charger, fast charging. Okay guys, so let's boot up the device and let's see what we have got inside. So this is a simple bootloader and Android branding. That was pretty fast. So let's see how the fingerprint scanner works. So I feel in this price segment the fingerprint scanner of this phone is pretty fast enough. It's responsive. On the back we get dual camera setup. The primary sensor is 12 megapixel with f1.9 aperture and the other sensor is 5 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. That's a depth sensor, and we get a fingerprint scanner behind. There's some POCO branding also. We get a dual LED flash here, and this is a nice metallic gray color. On the front we get a single camera that is 20 megapixel. So let's see how the camera performance of the phone is. We get a short video, photo, portrait, square, panorama and manual mode inside it. And we get some options here, HDR, AI and vivid mode, I guess. These are different modes in the phone. Let's see how the shutter speed of the phone is. That's pretty decent and it's focusing very fast. So this is a picture which I clicked. It's come out really well. So that's it guys for this unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.